Come here, Puppy. Hey, kitty, kitty. Come here, Poops. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, Puppy. Come here, Poops. Come here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Puppy. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Puppy. Okay, first of all, here's foodies. Puppy. Okay, let's have no foodies and let's just touch Puppy. Come here, let's Puppy. Okay, good girl. Good kitty. Come here. Come here, Puppy. Oh, Puppy's being nice already. Okay, Puppy's already being nice. Good girl. Kitty, kitty. Puppy. Good kitty. Good kitty. Happy kitty. Good girl. Good Puppy. Come here, Puppy. Oh, you know what, Poops? Here's some foodies. Good girl. I touch you. I touch Puppy. Come here. Kitty, kitty. Good girl, Poops. Good girl. Pax, you stay there. Okay, stay. You leave Puppy alone. Good girl, Poops. The spotlight. Roxanne. What do you think, Poops? Can we touch you? Good girl. Wow. Good girl, Puppy. Good girl. Puppy's normally really mean. Okay? So we're using food. Come here. Come here, Poop. Over here. Good girl. I'm gonna pet Puppy. Good girl. Classically conditioned Puppy. Good girl. Let's do Puppy on a different day. Oh, good girl, Puppy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Everybody says maybe she has brain damage from all the medicine when she got spayed. Because she had extra pain medication. See? Oh, there she is. Okay, Puppy. Nobody hurt you. Okay? No one's hurt you. I'm petting you. It's called petting. Okay? Good girl. Good girl, Puppy. Good girl. Now I'm going to go ahead and give her a couple of food. Pieces of food. Nobody's hurt you. That's what I don't understand. Why are you so mad? Good girl.